Tesco came to Microsoft because we already had a great relationship with them, and they realised that we were prepared to work with them in order to explore this vision they had in terms of providing this new service to their customers. And also Tesco.com realised that our technologies were scalable and could integrate easily with the existing parts of their business.
We've been working with Tesco.com since about 1996. It was then in about 1997 they started talking to us about some ideas they had around Tesco.com and how our technology and products could support some of those ideas. The idea they had was just a pilot at the time, so they wanted some technology that could support them initially but could also allow them to grow as a business.
We were aware they didn't want an expensive, huge system, so we recommended SQL Server 6.5. And as the business grew, we migrated them to SQL Server 7.0 and to SQL Server 2000 Enterprise Edition, which they run today.
Currently we serve over 150,000 customers a week, and this is scaling up all the time. There can be over 30,000 products in a store, and the pickers need to be able to find the right product for our customers and get it picked and back into the van in the shortest possible time.
Our recommendation was based around bearing in mind that it was a new market Tesco were going into. So I had to reflect or anticipate the needs of the customer base, because it was unknown at the time. I also had to provide scalability in terms of being able to grow, and also reliability. If you think about a Tesco.com customer, they want to be able to log on 24/7, 365 days a year, regardless of the time. As the system grew and the customer base grew and the need for increased productivity grew, was to provide wireless devices around our XPE, which is our embedded point of service solution, and also our Microsoft Pocket PC device, which is a robust mechanism that's used by the driver for the receipt of the delivery by the customer.
The XP embedded device is the picker's workflow device. It tells them which product to pick. It navigates them through the store to find the right product location, and then it allows them to scan the product to verify that it is indeed the correct product the customer has chosen. It also then lets them put that product into the tray for that particular customer. We'd already developed our application in VisualStudio.net, and when we tried to use it on Windows XP Embedded, it just worked straight out of the box. XP Embedded was the natural choice for us in the end because of its support for multiple devices, particularly the barcode scanners that we use.
The process that involved from a customer perspective is extremely simple. The customer would log on to the website Tesco.com and sign in with a username and password and be presented with a personalised view of their Tesco.com world, if you like.
The customer will place their order on the internet, and those order details will then be uploaded into the SQL database. The data is then delivered wirelessly through to handheld devices in store, which the pickers are responsible for.
Once the order's all been picked, it's transmitted onto our Pocket PC device, which is another Microsoft product, and then it's used to send the driver out to deliver the products to that customer, where the customer signs off that they've received the products and the order has been fulfilled.
The beauty with all these products is they seamlessly integrate with each other, thus providing a stable environment for Tesco.com. We recommended a solution based on SQL 6.5. As we progressed with the pilot, SQL 7 was released, and then we moved on to SQL 2000. The key thing with SQL 2000 was it delivered increased reliability over SQL 7, so it was a natural choice to evolve to that product.
One of the great things about SQL Server 2000 Enterprise Edition is some of the DTS or data transformation services it provides, and that allows SQL database to receive information from other sources. So for example, we can import club card information from the mainframe within Tesco and again contribute to that personalised experience for customers. We're working with Tesco.com at the minute to migrate them again from SQL 2000 Enterprise Edition onto SQL Server 2005. The work rotates around what they call their favourites database, which is really the heart of the SQL environment, if you like, because that stores the 5 million registered customers' information. So a lot of information on there, and it pulls in the club card information to the customers. Another thing about SQL Server 2005 is its inherent business intelligence capabilities that allows Tesco.com to sort of analyse customer profiles, activities, and monitors their buying habits, if you like.
The key factor with 2005 is that it delivers increased services around reporting and business intelligence, which is key for Tesco in analysing the data they get back and therefore using that to better improve the service for customers. There is also a team of dedicated marketeers who sit within Tesco.com who can easily customise the website and market out to those online customers who may not see all of the promotions that are going on in store.
The system is really easy to maintain. The .NET framework is a really great platform for developers, and it allows them to easily maintain code and deploy it to the wireless devices remotely. And so we can make changes to all our devices throughout the whole country in just a few minutes.
From a developer's perspective, it offers the benefits of efficiency through data transformation services and also code reusage, for example, that can be used to speed up the time to market for any amendments or changes. Also, that data transformation also contributes to the personalisation of the shopping experience for the customer.
It's allowed Tesco.com to really meet the needs of a growing market, so they're now up to 150,000 orders per week, and that will be ever increasing. It also allows them to really track in-store productivity and ensure that they're continually delivering high levels of service to their customers.
The term mission critical to Tesco.com's customers is very simple. It means the right products delivered at the right time with the right availability and of course at the right price. Mission critical also means a personalised shopping experience for those customers, so they feel that they're the only customer that use Tesco.com service. And it's also about trust. There's a lot of personal information shared between Tesco.com and its customers and vice versa.
Customers are also really sensitive to the fact that their data isn't shared with anybody else, and Tesco.com gives those customers that assurance.
Security is very important for us. Using XP embedded in the .NET services, we can encrypt all data that's sent over the network from our wireless picking devices to our central server.
Some of the key facts and figures with regard to Tesco.com operation are quite staggering, I find. For example, at peak times they will process 3,000 orders an hour. In 1 week they will process 150,000 orders, and that's fulfilled from only 280 stores. So if you think about the number of orders per store going through, it's incredible.
For the business, it means we can pick faster, and as we scale our business and grow, it means that we can accommodate more customers and serve more orders an hour.
I think the most fundamental thing that's contributed to is providing that scalability to reflect the growing needs of Tesco. It also provides a proven, reliable and cost-efficient solution.
The solution allows us to give the customer the right product for the right price at the right time and in the right place.